Hi, my name is Miriam Calderon. I'm just starting my second year in the Diagnostic Medical Sonography program. I was originally born in Fort Worth, Texas, but I've lived in Bennington, Nebraska for the past almost 16 years. So a leader that I admire, as cheesy as it is, would definitely be my mom. She just has a super incredible work ethic that I've always admired since I was young. I mean, even when I was just a toddler, when I was a baby, until I was actually nearly 6 years old, she was getting her PhD while she was working and taking care of me and my brother. And she just always can work to the point where she will get things done, but more important than that, she's just always made sure that all four of her kids know what's truly important in life and always makes time to know that we're loved and valued and supporting us and being at all of our sporting events and whatnot. So someday, if I am half the wife, mother, and woman that she is, I will be above average for sure. I'm excited for the class.